Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up buying term life insurance with Ladder step by step clearly. To begin your term life insurance journey with Ladder, visit their official website. Locate the Get Started button on the homepage and click it. You will be prompted to enter your information to determine your eligibility. Fill in the required fields, including your age, gender, and health status. Once you submit your details, you will receive an indication of how much coverage you can apply for. Review the options presented to you and select the coverage amount that fits your needs. Next, choose the length of the term you would like for your policy, typically available in increments of 10, 15, or 20 years. After selecting your coverage and term, you will move on to the application process. Provide any additional personal information requested, such as your occupation and lifestyle habits. Be prepared to answer questions about your medical history. Once you have completed the application, you will receive an instant quote. Review the quote thoroughly before proceeding. If satisfied, you can continue to complete the application. At this point, you may be asked to verify your identity, which could involve electronic verification. If necessary, you may also have to undergo a medical exam, depending on the coverage amount. After all information is submitted, wait for Ladder to review your application. Once approved, you will receive your policy documents via email. Take some time to read through the policy details to understand your coverage fully. If you have any questions or need modifications, reach out to Ladder's customer service for assistance. Finally, once satisfied, make your initial premium payment to activate your policy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.